If your phone is always overheating whenever you're trying to charge it or whenever you're using it to do important things, especially when you're using it to play games, it's always overheats, then this video is actually for you. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to fix phone overheating while charging or playing games. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So the first step I'm going to recommend you do is to remove the phone case. Just go ahead and remove the phone case. So this is why you must remove the phone case. This is because most cases actually trap heat and make your phone stay hot. So the first step you can actually take is to allow the phone to breathe by removing the phone case. Now once that is done, in most cases this might simply solve the whole issue. So if that did not actually solve the issue, the next step you can easily take is to go to your phone settings just like this. So right here on your phone settings, the next step you need to take here is to go to where you can see battery. You can see that right here. So when you click on that, the next step you need to take here is to scroll and click on where you can see charging settings. So you just simply need to go ahead and click on charging settings like this. Now if fast charging is turned on, you need to turn it off. Now this might be the reason why your phone is actually overheating. Fast charging actually creates extra heat, and especially in a warm environment. So you just need to turn this off if your phone is experiencing overheating. The next step you can actually take is to move out from this place. Go to your home screen on your device like this. Click on the menu button at the bottom of the screen, and at the top left corner you can see where it says 3 active app. Now if yours is showing just like this, you just need to go ahead and click on it and turn off or stop any app that is playing on the background. So some of the app might actually be heavy and draining your phone battery, as well as causing overheating on your phone. So you just need to stop every other app that is playing on the background. This might actually help you to fix this issue as well. The next step you can easily take is to lower your screen brightness. So sometimes if your phone brightness is actually very high, that's actually cause overheating as well, due to it is actually draining the battery as well. So you just need to reduce the brightness just like this. Another way you can actually fix this problem is to delete problematic app. And there are some app that you did not download from the original source where you normally download them, which is Play Store. So you just need to find those app and delete those app from your phone. Those app might actually be causing overheating and also making your phone to hang sometimes. So you just need to go ahead and find those app or any other app that you have on your device for a long period of time now, but you're not making use of it. You just need to go ahead and find those app, click on it like this, click on uninstall and uninstall those app. Now once that is done, the next step you can actually take, which is the last step, is to go to your device settings like this. Scroll to the bottom and click on about phone. Now when you do that, right here you just need to go ahead and click on software updates at the bottom of the screen and check if there's any updates. If there's any updates, go ahead and update your device to the latest version. This is actually going to help to solve this problem as well. If after following all the steps, you'd be able to reduce the overheating on your phone and stop it automatically. So this is how simple it is to stop your device from overheating whenever you are playing games or charging your phone. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.